How's it, everyone? As you could probably assume, here at this channel, we love credit cards. Credit cards are tools that you could use to earn cash back or credit card points when you make your purchases. Those points and cash back are then redeemed for a variety of different options that in turn, at the end of the day, will give you some sort of value. But I'm not here to sell you on credit cards because if you're watching this video, you probably already know the true power of using them. Instead, in this video, I'll be going over the top 5 picks for the best credit cards of 2022 right now. There are dozens and dozens of different credit card products out there, and the goal of this video is to help narrow down your list to around the 5 credit cards so that way it can help make your decision a little bit easier. The cards on this list range from cashback credit cards to travel credit cards, and all of them can be attained earlier in the credit card journey. So yes, spoiler alert, none of these cards are going to be some fancy premium credit card. First card up on this list is probably going to be the most straightforward one, and this card is the Citi Double Cash credit card. Because the Citi Double Cash doesn't have any fancy earning multipliers or perks or benefits, it's going to be one of the more simpler cards to use. With this credit card, you'll be earning 2% cash back on all of your purchases. There is no category that restricts you. There are no rotating quarterly categories or multipliers. It simply is 2% cash back on everything. I think though that the most complicated part of this card is how it earns that 2% cash back. So the way that the Citi Double Cash card earns you 2% cash back is that first you get 1% cash back when you actually buy or purchase that product or make that transaction, and then you receive the second 1% cash back when you pay off your credit card. So for obvious reasons, be sure to pay off your credit card and in full, ahead of time, on time, so that way you could get that 2% cash back. To be fair though, I do want to point out an alternative to this credit card. Another credit card that will give you 2% cash back on any category is going to be the Wells Fargo Active Cash credit card. Yes, technically these cards could be interchangeable and some people might prefer one over the other. Personally, I prefer the Citi Double Cash credit card over the Wells Fargo card because just as a credit card company and as a credit card ecosystem, I prefer Citi over Wells Fargo. A few more things about the Citi Double Cash card is that there is no cap to how much cash back you could earn. That means you could put all the transactions that you could possibly imagine on this credit card and you'll earn 2% cash back on literally every single one of them. And most cashback credit cards have no annual fee, and this card is no different. Lastly, with the cashback that you earn with this credit card, you're able to redeem it for things like statement credit, a direct deposit, a check, or even convert them into Citi thank you points. This next credit card could be a little bit controversial and I may get some pushback for having it on my list, but the 4th pick for the best credit card of 2022 is going to be the Amazon Prime Rewards Visa credit card. I did talk about this credit card in another dedicated video a while ago, and I didn't say it was a bad card, I didn't say it was a great card. So here I am going to talk about it a little bit more because I do think that this card has been growing on me slightly and I've seen to use it more and get more value from it within the past year. The Amazon Prime Visa credit card will earn you 5% cash back on Amazon purchases and Whole Food purchases. It will also earn you 2% cash back on restaurants, drugstores, and gas stations. There even is a list of select products that will earn you 10% cash back on Amazon.com. The list seems to change quite often and it's a bunch of different random products, so be sure to check it frequently and that's an easy 10% cash back that you can earn there. First things first, you have to be an Amazon customer in order to get any sort of value from using this credit card. And if for some reason you're anti-e-commerce or you're anti-Amazon, then just please go ahead and skip to the 3rd card on this list because you probably won't use this credit card. Now for the rest of you, if you are one of the 148 million Amazon Prime users out there in the United States, then this card will have no annual fee for you. As you could probably tell, the real value that you could get from this credit card is through the 5% cash back category. That 5% cash back will rack you up points like crazy, especially if you buy a lot of things on Amazon. And I don't know about you, but definitely within this past year, I've spent thousands of dollars on Amazon.com. So you can see how that 5% cash back is so huge, it's so valuable. Another great thing about the Amazon Prime Visa credit card is that there are no foreign transaction fees, which for a no annual fee credit card, that's pretty rare. And at the time of recording, you'll receive a $100 Amazon gift card as a sign-up bonus. With all the points that you get when you use this credit card, you could redeem them on Amazon to pay for some of your Amazon purchases, or you could redeem them through Chase for things like gift cards, cash back, and even book travel. And if you've been enjoying this video so far, please go ahead and subscribe down below to see more videos like this. Sticking with the cashback theme, the next card on my list is going to be the Chase Freedom Flex credit card. Come on now, you guys. You know I can't have a top 5, a best credit cards list and not have a Chase credit card on there. You should know that by now. The Chase Freedom Flex card is a relatively newish credit card, and it's been a beast, an absolute beast ever since the beginning. You'll earn 5% on up to $1,500 worth of combined purchases on rotating quarterly categories throughout the year. Just make sure to activate those categories, please. Don't miss that. Don't forget to activate your categories. You'll also earn 5% cash back on travel purchased through the Chase portal, 3% cash back on dining at restaurants, and 3% cash back on drugstore purchases. Best of all is that you get all of that for literally no annual fee. Yes, the Chase Freedom Flex card does have a sibling credit card, which is the Chase Freedom Unlimited. Both are pretty similar to each other. The only real main difference is that the Chase Freedom Unlimited card does not have the rotating 5% cash back category, but instead it has a 1.5% cash back category on any purchases out there. And with that 1.5% cash back category on the Freedom Unlimited, there is no limit on how much cash back you could earn, whereas on the Freedom Flex card, there is a limit on that 5% cash back category. But even with those restrictions, I still slightly prefer the Chase Freedom Flex card over the Chase Freedom Unlimited card. I also would say that I usually recommend getting the Chase Freedom Flex card first before the Chase Freedom Unlimited card. But again, it's great to have both credit cards. Although the Chase Freedom Flex card and actually the Chase Freedom Unlimited card earn you cash back, it's actually recorded and it's actually stored as Chase Ultimate Reward points. So with these Chase Ultimate Reward points, you could redeem them for things like cash back via statement credit or direct deposit. Or you could use your Chase Ultimate Reward points to buy things on Amazon, buy gift cards, or even book travel through the Chase portal. As of right now, if you apply for the Chase Freedom Flex card, you'll receive a $200 sign-up bonus after you spend $500 within the first 3 months of opening your account. You will also earn 5% cash back on gas station purchases on up to $6,000 in the first year. And this sign-up bonus will be given to you in the form of 20,000 Chase Ultimate Reward points. Congratulations, we are now on the top 2 credit cards of this list. And surprise, surprise, but yet again, we have another Chase credit card. The second credit card of this list is going to be the Chase Sapphire Preferred card. This is the first card on this list that actually has an annual fee, and the annual fee is $95 a year, but most people can get it waived for the first year. The Chase Sapphire Preferred card has not had a solid sign-up bonus recently, so I'm really hoping that sometime soon Chase will change that. Right now, the Chase Sapphire Preferred card sign-up bonus is 60,000 Chase points after you spend $4,000 in the first 3 months of opening your card. With that said, it's a good idea to plan out when you're going to apply for this credit card and kind of save it for when you have a big purchase coming up, so that way you can easily hit that minimum spend requirement and get that sign-up bonus. But like I mentioned earlier, it wasn't too long ago when Chase offered a 80,000 sign-up bonus and also a 100,000 point sign-up bonus. So again, hopefully Chase will make changes soon and upgrade that sign-up bonus. Other than that, the Chase Sapphire Preferred card will give you 5 times points on travel booked through the Chase portal, 2 times points on other travel purchases, 3 times points on dining, 3 times points on online grocery store purchases, and 3 times points on select streaming services. And at the very, very least, Chase points are worth 1 cent per point, so that means your 60,000 sign-up bonus is actually worth a value of around $600. But with the Chase Sapphire Preferred card, you will get 1.25 cents per point when you redeem your points through the Chase portal. And better yet, if you could redeem your points by transferring them to one of Chase's travel partners, you could easily get a point valuation of 2 cents per points or even more. So it's a good idea minutes to become familiar with Chase's travel transfer partners, which you could take a look at here. The Chase Sapphire Preferred card also comes with benefits such as additional travel and purchase protection. This card will provide you things with baggage insurance, extended warranty protection, and so on. You will also earn 5 times points on Peloton purchases up until June 30th of 2022. Of course, this credit card has no foreign transaction fees, and you can transfer your points to one of Chase's travel partners at a 1-to-1 ratio, which I kind of mentioned earlier. Lastly, you will receive up to $50 worth of statement credit when you book a hotel stay through the Chase travel portal. And each account anniversary, you'll receive a bonus 10% points on the total of purchases you made the previous year. That means if you spend $25,000 on purchases, you'll receive up to 2,500 extra Chase points. Finally, we have made it to the #1 credit card pick of 2022, which happens to be another annual fee credit card. No, it's not another Chase card, but I promise it will not disappoint you. And this credit card is going to be the Amex Gold Card. This credit card is going to be your dining, eating out, grocery store credit card beast. This is because the Amex Gold Card will give you $120 of dining credit each year, and that's broken up into $10 increments each month. Those dining credits can be used at establishments like Ruth's Chris, Grubhub, and more. You will also receive $120 of Uber credit each year that is also broken down into $10 increments each month. This time you could use your Uber credits for either Uber Eats or even Uber rides. Another reason why the Amex Gold Card is going to be your dining grocery store beast is because it earns you 4 times points at restaurants worldwide and 4 times points at US supermarkets. This is why if you are buying anything food related, which I assume most of you are, this credit card is going to be so handy. On top of that, if you like to travel, this credit card will actually earn you 3x points on flights. The annual fee for the American Express Gold Card is $250 a year, but with all the credits and earning multipliers, you still get a lot of value from this credit card. You should be aiming to spend around $500 a month on dining or grocery store purchases in order to break even with this credit card. And that's not even taking into consideration all of the credits that you'll get and hopefully use. And that's also when you value American Express points at just 1 cent per point. So if you're able to redeem your Amex points for a valuation higher than 1 cent per point, and if you actually use your Uber and dining credits, then the break-even point is actually going to be a lot lower. And the best ways to redeem your points is going to be similar to the way that you redeem Chase points, which is going to be transferring your Amex points into one of American Express's travel transfer partners. Again, you can take a look at the list right here and make sure that you actually use these airlines or hotels and companies. Additionally, right now, the Amex Gold Card will give you a sign-up bonus of 60,000 Amex points after you spend $4,000 within the first 6 months of opening up your account. And if you want to continue to improve your credit card knowledge, please be sure to check out one of these videos here. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a fun rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one. Shoots!